Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a random dessert, which means that I let Alexa choose from my cookbooks and the recipes within, and I'm going to prepare that. I already asked her about it because I had to buy the ingredients, of course, and she got me this book. This is Eastern Foods, and the recipe is apricot nut skewers, if you can see it. So I'll start preparing it and I will put the recipe in the description down below. So as you could see, my apricots were pretty ripe and soft, and the recipe actually calls for hard apricots, which could be half of the problem, and the other half is it just makes no sense. I mean, I followed it, and it originally said to put the apricots on a grill rack, and that kind of makes no sense to me either, because we have a mixture with butter and sugar, and as expected, it just melted right off. So I will put the pictures in right here. And yeah, the result is delicious, but it looks like poop. I'm not gonna lie. Really just looks horrible. The idea could be good, I suppose, just doesn't work the way it was intended, and even the best looking ones, I actually have one right here. The best looking ones still look horrifying, to be honest. So I could not recommend this recipe as it is, but I think working with apricots could be a good idea. Apricots and dark chocolate go well together. The apricot is kind of sour, the chocolate is kind of bitter, everything is sweetened by this kind of sugary butter that's on it. I don't think we need the butter that much. I think that's actually the one that's ruining this whole experience, because it just makes everything way more fat. So I wouldn't make this again. I'm sorry, but at least I tried. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Bye!